Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how I invest in stocks using one of my favorite apps, Revolut. If you are in Europe and you're looking for a simple, user-friendly way to get started in the stock market, this is for you. I'll walk you through the entire process from setting up your account to buying your first stock. And yes, I'll even share some tips on how to avoid losing money. Let's dive in. First things first, what's Revolut? If you are not familiar, Revolut is a financial app that started in the UK but is now fully licensed in Europe. It's known for its ease of use, low fees, and features like currency exchange, budgeting tools, and now stocks trading. Now let's talk about the investing side of Revolut. One of the best things about it, commission-free trading. That's right. You can buy and sell stocks without paying any fees. This is a game changer, especially if you are just starting out and don't want to lose money to high fees. Revolut offers a wide range of US stocks, including big names like Tesla, Google, and Apple. Let me show you how you buy a stock. First, make sure you have funds in your Revolut investment account. If not, you can easily add money by converting your local currency to dollars. Revolut offers a great exchange rates, which is another reason I love using it for international transactions. Once your account is funded, go to the invest section, search for the stock you want, and click buy. You can buy full shares or even fractional shares, which is perfect if you are starting with a small amount. For example, with $1,000, you can buy a fraction of a Tesla share instead of needing the full price of one share. Fractional shares are a game changer for beginners. You can start investing with as little as $10. This makes it easy to build a diversified portfolio over time, even if you don't have a lot of capital to start with. The key is to invest regularly and consistently. Once you have placed your order, it will be executed when the market opens. If you are buying on a weekend, keep in mind that there might be a small markup on the stock's price. I usually avoid buying on weekends for this reason. But once the market is open, your order will go through at the current market price. So why do I recommend Revolut for investing? It's simple, user-friendly, and commission-free. Plus, it's a great way to dip your toes into the stocks market without getting overwhelmed. Whether you are a beginner or just looking for a convenient way to invest, Revolut is a solid choice. Of course, investing always comes with risks. The stock market can be unpredictable, and it's important to do your research and only invest money you can afford to lose. But with tools like Revolut, getting started has never been easier. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below if you have any questions.